Hi, Janet Malanga, registered dietitian. Let's talk about portion sizes for children, why they matter, and how to use your child's hand as a reference to prepare appropriate sized portions. A study in Dijon, France, at 3 primary schools in mid to high income neighborhoods that included 83 children 8 to 11 years old as participants helps to explain why portion size matters. Children were shown a recommended portion size, a portion 50% larger, and another 125% larger of applesauce and brownies, and asked to eat on different days all 3 portion sizes of both of these foods. The children were asked how much they thought they would enjoy each portion size and how healthy they considered each portion size to be before and after eating. Surprisingly, the children thought they would only be satisfied with the bigger portion sizes, but this study found that they were satisfied after eating the smaller recommended portion size too, and they ate more when given bigger portion sizes. Plus, the children were unaware that a larger portion size of brownies is less healthy than a smaller portion size. Another study included student participants that attended 2 colleges in Yichun, China, in Jiangxi province. Body measurements were taken and the students reported what they ate on 2 weekdays and 1 weekend day. The study found body fat percentage and waist circumference were positively correlated to what the students thought they could, expected to, and wanted to eat before eating and 60 minutes after eating. This implies that if we regularly eat portions that are too large, we begin to expect to eat more. Also, body fat percentage and waist circumference were positively correlated to hunger. The authors of the study explained higher body fat percentage can disrupt the release of the fullness hormones and lead to resistance to the fullness hormone leptin. This means we will be hungrier if we gain body fat by regularly eating too much with larger portions. But we must remember children need to eat enough nutritious foods to optimize health in terms of growth, development, and brain function. A child's hand size can be used to roughly estimate appropriate portion sizes. For protein foods, use the area of your child's flat palm for fish, meat, poultry, and tofu. Use a cupped handful for nuts, seeds, and hard cheeses. About 1 egg is appropriate for children 5 to 8 years old, and 2 eggs for children ages 9 to 18 years. For vegetables and fruits, use the area of the flat palms of both hands of your child. Use the area of your child's flat palm for bread, and use the size of your child's fist for oatmeal, pasta, or rice. Use the size of your child's fist for milk or yogurt. Use a cupped handful for a slice of hard cheese. And a nutritious alternative to dairy is to use the area of the flat palms of both hands of your child to prepare a portion of a vegetable high in highly absorbable calcium, like bok choy, Chinese mustard greens, or tofu prepared with calcium, together with a portion of the area of your child's flat palm of fish high in vitamin D, like mackerel, salmon, or sea bass. How much your child needs to eat depends on their immediate hunger level, body size, gender, activity level, current growth rate, like if they're going through a growth spurt, any health problems, and more. Current evidence supports giving children age-appropriate portions to prevent overeating, listening to children when they ask for more, and to not push children to finish their plate. Don't stress if your child does not want to eat so much at one meal, as children typically then just eat more at the next meal. Remember, You can use your child's hands to roughly estimate the right portion size to establish good habits and to prevent them from becoming overweight. Make sure you give portions big enough to optimize growth, development, and brain function. Finally, listen to your child and let their words help guide you. If they say they are really hungry, give them more.